Why were they jealous? Because we made all their tools. We were more important than them.
ROLLAG has a number of blacksmithing demonstrations around our showgrounds. It is an old-world technique still used today for shaping metal by hand and hand tools with heat. The metal is heated until it becomes soft enough to be hammered or bent into shape. The process is repeated until the desired result is achieved. We have a number of skilled blacksmiths on our grounds demonstrating their skills during our show. The ROLLAG Foundry is growing each year. Here, our crew will create the molds and then pour in the molten aluminum to create the finished items you see here. the excess debris is skimmed off the top before pouring. Once the pours have cooled down, they are broken free of their sand cast and finished off with grinders or sanders to be ready for you to bring home. Our machine shop is powered by line shafts, the way it was done decades ago. We have 2 gas engines powering our machine shop, and these line shafts also drive many of the tools in the foundry. Each tool can be engaged or disengaged by moving the red lever, allowing multiple tools to be used at once as needed. Be sure to check out our other segments here for stationary gas and steam engines, as many of those smaller engines would have been used to operate machine shops, sawmills, or other industries requiring the use of a similar setup with line shafts. They were heavily used from the Industrial Revolution until the early 20th century, when the availability of small electric motors mounted to each machine became more practical. Line shafts have been around for years, dating back to the late 1800s and early 1900s. This is a 25 horsepower Model YH Fairbanks Morse engine. It provides the power for the line shafts here in our machine shop and foundry.